This wasn't a muscle car or a luxury sedan. It was something entirely different. The Isetta 300 was a microcar, a tiny bubble of practicality and fun that redefined urban mobility. The Isetta was a brilliant solution for a post-war Europe, offering affordable and fuel-efficient transportation in a time when every drop of gas counted. Check out that single front door. It swings open, steering wheel attached. And yes, it's powered by a motorcycle engine. Underneath that adorable exterior lies a surprisingly practical interior. Despite its size, the Isetta could comfortably seat 2 people, making it perfect for city commutes or short errands. Did you know the Isetta's nickname was Das rollende Ei, the rolling egg? Buckle up! With its 13 horsepower engine, the Isetta hits a whopping 53 miles per hour. It's like driving a smile. Who needs cup holders when you've got character? The 1957 BMW Isetta 300, small in size, big on charm. It's not just a car, it's a conversation starter. Hit that subscribe button, and remember, life's more fun in a rolling egg.